Oh, okay.
Hi mamas, I'm Shen and welcome back to my channel at Mama Banana, where I like to share hacks, tips and reviews on products made just for mamas. So today I'm going to show you how to cut your child or your baby's fingernail confidently. There's a very simple trick to it to avoid cutting their actual fingers, because I know in the very early days it can be very nerve-wracking because their fingers are just so tiny, but if you use a simple trick, then you can avoid cutting their fingers and you'll be able to do it a lot more confidently yourself. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure to support my channel by subscribing and clicking that button down below. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm going to demonstrate the technique using my own fingernails so that you can see very clearly exactly what I'm doing, and then I will show you how it is I actually cut my child's nails, okay? So we pretend this is a baby's finger, okay? So you allow your child down with them facing towards you. That way you can see exactly what you're doing and how much you're taking off on the underside. You want to grab them so that you can push down lightly on their pads, because this bit can be quite chubby for some of the kids, and one of the worries is that you're afraid that you might cut this skin down here. So use one of your fingers to push this down out of the way, bring the nail clippers in, okay, and as you push it in, you're pushing the pad of the finger away, so you will not cut that, okay? And as you press down, okay, you need to angle the nail clippers down so that it brings it further away slightly. So you bring the nail clippers in, and as you push down, you tilt it down slightly, and then by tilting down, you are cutting at a safe distance from the base of the nail. I've seen some people advise you to cut straight after a bath so that their nails are softer. I disagree with this. If you just cut their nails straight after a bath, you could be cutting too close. It's just very hard to see the whites of it if it's wet. All right, so now I'm going to show you how I actually cut my daughter's fingernails. So then when I do cut the nails, I tend to do about 3 cuts, one here, and then one here and one here. Okay. So straight on to push the finger pad away and then angle down so it's a safe distance. And then straight on, push the pad away. Make sure to angle down every time. Straight on and angle down. So before I cut, I make sure I have a firm grip on my daughter's fingers. And as you can see, I'm using my fingertips to push down the pad of her fingers. And then I will have the nail clippers there again to push against the padded fingers to make sure I don't cut it. And as I push down on the nail clippers to cut, I am angling the clippers down, exposing more of the white of the fingernail so that I won't cut too close. And if your child really doesn't like getting their fingernails cut, okay, there is a little tip here, okay? Try to cut your child's fingernails when they're asleep. So one of my daughters, she really didn't like getting her fingernails cut, so what I had to do was I'd have to cut it while she was asleep. But she's also a light sleeper. The time where she slept deepest was actually while she was breastfeeding. So after she fell asleep on me, then I'll just call my husband straight away and tell him to bring me the fingernail clippers, and either myself or himself would cut her fingernails down. I've also read a tip before, right, is if your child does sleep really well in their car seat or while they're traveling, then bring a pair of fingernail clippers with you in the car, so that if they go into deep sleep in the car seat, don't even take them out to bring them into the house or anything if they're prone to waking then, but just cut their fingernails there and then when they're asleep in the car seat. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope everybody is staying safe and looking after themselves in the midst of this COVID-19 pandemic. And most importantly for mamas, I hope you're trying to, or you can actually get some time to look after yourself as well. It can be quite hard being stuck at home all day, every day with young children, because they do have a lot of energy, not because we don't love them, obviously. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to click the subscribe button down below for more content like this. So until the next video, thank you and goodbye.